What's up, YouTube? I'm back with a video. Today I'm going to be doing a slight makeup routine that I do from time to time. Oops, me acting crazy, but yeah, I don't do makeup every day, but I'm learning right now because, I sell it. And yeah, I'm actually using my eyebrow pencil right there. But without further ado, we're going to get into the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, do all of that and more. I love you guys and stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so as I was doing this contour and I watched later, I was like, my nose looked real skinny. Like, I think I did it too, where the concealer line was too skinny, but I kind of fixed it up at the end, so don't get on me too much. But yeah, you'll see what I'm talking about. that's gonna complete this look. And y'all, I think I did all right. I know I had some mess ups and it ain't perfect, and you know I'm a beginner myself, that's why it's beginner makeup, duh. But thank y'all for watching. I love you guys, and we're just starting on our journey. Can't wait to grow closer. But yes, I enjoyed making this video. Let me know if you guys would like more videos like this. Comment below, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Mwah.